I'm Specialist John Mcneil, 92 Growth Culinary Specialist. The duties and responsibilities of my job are to provide food for the soldiers and support the fight. The qualities of a good NCO are being able to show empathy and compassion to your soldiers and being able to teach them right and wrong.
I've been to Hungary, Austria, I've seen the Swiss Alps on the Austrian side.
Staff Sergeant Martin is one of my NCOs. She's a good NCO. She teaches me a lot in the kitchen and out of the kitchen, in the garrison and in the field environments. She's very teachable. I learned a lot from her in the DFAC. I learned how to make chicken lollipops and just like time management and stress management. She taught me how to deal with stress a lot. My favorite part about this event has been just the high schoolers, the kids asking me questions about day-to-day life in the Army. This event will strengthen the relationship between the soldier and NCO by providing cohesion and learning to see from an NCO's perspective, just day to day, and learn from them.